Welcome students. So today's our new topic is water scarcity. Scarcity means scarce, that is very less. As in the previous video I have told you about that the percentage of fresh water is very less, so that now here it often leads to water scarcity, and further it leads people to use unsafe water. So next, as the water is excessively used for the purposes like agriculture, industries, and the production of electricity. So that's why it leads to water scarcity. In spite these, the water bodies are constantly being polluted by domestic sewage, organic waste, chemicals, and toxic substances, as you can see in this picture. In this way, the amount of usable water is reduced. So here I would like to explain you water scarcity with this map. Here there are some water deficit regions are there, like you can see here: Libya, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Kuwait, etc. Water deficit means here the water available is very less in these countries to meet their increasing demands. And even in India, I want to tell you some regions like Rajasthan, desert area, and even Chennai, there is a water market. Water market, you will ask me, ma'am, water market क्या होता है? Water market means जहाँ पर पानी बेचा जाता है in the terms of cost, supply किया जाता है. That is called as water market. So next is here the water resources of India. As we know that India gets the plenty of rainfall, but this we also know that but it is not evenly distributed. So here there is a great need to divert the water from water surplus regions to water deficit regions, that is water is taken by all the people. So it's obvious that if the population will be more, the need for food will also be more, that is the agriculture will be done on the large scale. So it's obvious that for the agriculture, for the cultivation of crops, we need the adequate amount of water, but the water is very less. So this can be done through irrigation. I have told you earlier also what is irrigation. Irrigation means the applying water to the fields in the artificial ways like wells, canals, tanks and tubewells. मेरे ख्याल से कई बच्चे फार्म विलेज में जैसे रहते होंगे या फिर जैसे फार्मिंग में कभी करते हुए उन्होंने सब कुछ देखा भी होगा, जैसे वेल्स, कैनाल, ये सब कुछ यूज़ करते हुए, तो दे माइट बेटर नो. सो here I want to tell you one more thing. You can see the various videos also in this for water scarcity, like jal means pan, and tangle, etc. So here I want to tell you a very important thing, that which is as if we celebrate the Earth Day, Environment Day, the same way we celebrate the World Water Day. And I think recently only it was being celebrated by UNESCO and in other parts of the world, that is 22nd March, I think it was Sunday. So I'll tell you why the World Water Day is being celebrated. It is celebrated as a means to focus attention on the importance of fresh water and making it for the sustainable management of freshwater resources, as freshwater is very limited. So it's a duty to use water at limited use, so the coming generations can meet their increasing demands. So our next is the uses of water. The water is used for several things like irrigating fields, industrial needs, storing water reservoirs in dams, and for the production of hydroelectricity. Students, here I would like to give one activity. The activity is like this, that an average urban Indian uses about 150 liters. As you can see here, I've given the activity. The different activities are being done. So can you suggest some ways by which we can bring this amount? Yes, of course, why not? We can do this so that we can meet the water problem. Next is the conservation of water resources. How we can conserve our water resources. It's very important to conserve water. So one by one, we will learn about this. The first one is afforestation. Afforestation means planting more and more trees. The next, cleaning of rivers. Here I want to tell you one important example, that is Ganga river. It is, as you have read before 2 years back also, कि Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken several steps to clean river Ganga, but still it is not being made clean. Who is responsible for all these things? We, because we are only polluting the rivers. द नेक्स्ट इज यूज ऑफ स्प्रिंकलर्स. बच्चे, आपने कभी ग्राउंड में देखा होगा अपने स्कूल में ही, जैसे कि गार्डन को वाटरिंग करते हुए स्प्रिंकल्स लगा देते हैं ताकि पानी सब जगह पहुंचे. द नेक्स्ट वन इज रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड एट इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कलेक्शन ऑफ रेन वाटर फ्रॉम सर्विसेज ऑन विच द रेन falls, filtering it and storing it for multiple uses like gardens, livestock, irrigation, domestic use with proper treatment, etc. So the next very important is how we can conserve water at home. The first one is turn off the taps while brushing the teeth. The next is never leave the tap running while washing clothes utensils. Immediately repair the leaking taps. यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूँगी कि बच्चे से कि कहते हैं कि अगर घर की टूटी ख़राब हो, अगर पानी लीक हो तो घर में लक्ष्मी भी नहीं आती. यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम माय मदर ऑल्सो. सो इसलिए अच्छा भी नहीं होता. सो जैसे ही आपके घर की कोई टूटी लीक होती है तो उसको गेट इट रिपेयर. द नेक्स्ट इज might in at all the homes the water is garden is there, so you can water your garden early in the morning or late so that it leads to less evaporation. The last is your bath using the bucket, mug and not a shower. So at the last I want to tell you one very important thing. बच्चे, आपने कभी in Hindi you have learned about Kabir and Rahim duas. So यहाँ पर आप मेरे साथ बोलेंगे and you will have to learn this दुआ रहीम. रहीमन पानी राखिए, बिन पानी सब सून, पानी गए ना उबरे, मोती मानुष चून. So here this we have recited, so we can save our water. So students, give water, give hope, give life and give better. Students are framed. Now students, see these questions I have framed in between questions from these two pages. Have a look on these questions to get your chapter more clear.